Hey, what's going on, everybody, and welcome back to another episode of TNGAU. And actually, I've already tried to record this episode once, and I fucking failed because my sister took the fucking laptop for like the whole entire night. So I had to redo this whole entire like beginning thing entirely. So I basically already know what's gonna happen in the next like 15 minutes, but that's all right? That's the only thing that I know in advance because of that unfortunate mishap. So anyways, it's not like I could refuse her either. Like when she asked that, it was like almost her birthday, so it was like I felt like I was obligated to give the laptop to her. Though truth be told, I don't really give a shit. But, you know, it's nice to be nice, I guess. Anyways, yeah, I already know the tricks that this game is gonna pull on me, so I'm not gonna waste any more time, and we're just gonna breeze right on by. So, and yes, that's right, I remember. These guys are annoying as all hell. I hate them. Thankfully, we have Yomu to fix Reimu and Chica up. So, I forgot to say this, but in the last episode, it says sometimes you gotta trace your steps all the way to the beginning. I'm just gonna show you that, even though I already know that that's what you're supposed to do. Basically, I got stuck here for like a good, maybe like 5 minutes until I read the sign. So that was another idiot moment. That was another like dumb moment from me. But you guys didn't see it. So if you guys didn't see it, did it really happen? It's like that saying where I don't know what the hell I'm saying. Yeah, I'm gonna put the saying that I was thinking like on screen right now, but for some reason I don't remember what it's called at the top of my head. So anyways, in the last episode we got the original fuckboys here again. We got the original fuckboy crew to join us. And basically our goal is that we gotta stop the enragement child because he kidnapped Yukari, and that is no good. Yeah, you see right there? That's the bullshit lever that's right there for some reason. I'm just gonna kill you. Wow. Like, how many of you guys missed there? What the fuck is wrong with you? So anyways, Freddy, Bonnie, Chica, and Foxy joined us last time, and we have to go save Yukari from the enragement child. And he's put us on this ridiculous quest to pull some switches so that it'll open up these spikes. It'll deactivate these spikes, but if we do that, then some other spikes are gonna get activated, and we have to keep pressing other levers until we reach the main one, where we the main lever that we switch, which turns all of the spikes off. You get what I'm saying? Probably not, but in layman's terms, we're being put through an annoying fucking fetch quest where you have to pull levers, and we have to pull the main one in order to stop doing that. Also, I can just walk past here. I think I said this in the original recording, but I'm not sure if that was intentional or not. Might have been. I don't know. Also, you guys are I'm gonna kill all of you. Because I feel like it. And also, I hate you. Honestly, I was feeling kind of weird that day anyway, so maybe it's good that I didn't record that whole thing. Because now I'm feeling like a lot better. I'm not like on perfect health or anything. My throat still feels kinda weird, but you know what? It's better than like a few days ago at least. Boom, boom, boom. Also, I mentioned this in the original recording as well, but I like the attention to detail that the HP and MP of Freddy, Bonnie, Chica, and Foxy is called Life and Skill because that's what they were called, the original boys. Well, here it's just HP and MP. And their Danmaku power is also called Tech, not Danmaku power. You see this? Look, it says DMK right there, and then boom, it says Tech right there. That's pretty cool, isn't it? So I've already established last time that the damn Urei balloons don't fucking do anything. Not they do things, but they don't drop anything. I mean, so yeah, that's why I already have like a file in the file 55 where it's like 15 minutes ahead, but that's okay because I'm gonna overwrite that, and we are gonna make things right this time. So let's go. Hello there.
Stop right there, you sack of fucking shit.
So I basically just speed ran through that whole entire thing because, well, not really, but I went through it in a much quicker pace than last time because I knew what I was doing. I've saved like 8 minutes of my life. That's pretty cool, I guess. Earthside Man and anime girls and those other fuck sacks that I don't give a shit about. Yeah. Also, if you guys didn't notice, I'm recording not in my bedroom. I'm not recording in my bedroom for once. I'm actually recording downstairs at 12 a.m. Where I probably shouldn't make too much noise, otherwise I'm gonna wake somebody up. So yeah, I should probably tone it down with the voice acting a little bit. Yo, what's up?
Enragement child, it is time. Time for you to face retribution.
Yeah, I think not, Earthside Man. Come forth. These two balloons that are like are based off of two like mythical figures from Japan. I'm pretty sure. You ball sacking shipwrecks have to go through these sons of bitches first. That is, if you survive.
Come back here. Looks like we're in for a fight. Let's fuck him up.
Alright, let's go. So let's use a scout on these bitches. Well, it's a balloon inhabited by a ghost of the Demon King Oda Nobunaga. Knowing Nobunaga, this fucker's probably using firearms. And a Hideyoshi balloon. Well, it's a balloon inhabited by a ghost of a well-renowned Toyotomi Hideyoshi. All I can say is that, well, he probably wouldn't like seeing you with a weapon. So they're both immune to, or like very resistant to at least, blind, stun, and bleed. And I'm pretty sure the same goes for him as well. So yeah. Okay. Miracle Amulet. Flyby. That's pretty good now that we have 8 party members. Decrease their attack and defense. Nice spread. Defense maneuver, that's pretty good. Attack by 30% and defense by 40% is really good. And rock out, dude. I mean, Bon kick, that's pretty good as well. and then I'll do rock out. In fact, a lot of the moves on the fuckboy crew, a lot of the new moves in the fuckboy crew that the fuckboy crew has are pretty good. Like birthday surprise, that's a really good ability. Oh my god. And make them all target you, because why not?
Motherfucker.
Yeah, combining these buffing statuses with... Ow. What the fuck? That's not very nice. It's pretty broken, but Reimu's gonna die probably. Oh no, we're all gonna die. Holy shit. That's not the good. Really not the good. Well, you know what? Yomu can use her mass healing thing next turn. But now I'm kind of scared. Ammo trap. Stardust. And ultimate phantasm heal. That's a pretty good move to use there. Corpse. Drop at toss. Guitar smash on Oda Nobunaga. Victors on Hideyoshi and we don't need speed share really because we already have like that agility boost from Marisa. But you know what? That's maybe they stack. I don't know. Anyway, I'm gonna plank walk. That didn't work. Shit. Okay. Thankfully you only did that and you didn't do anything else. Bronze guitar, silver guitar, gold guitar, platinum guitar, that's kingly guitar, damn. That's pretty good. And he equipped another kingly guitar, that's... Bonnie's getting tactical with his guitar smash now. Because that move used to be really not good, but now it is. Burn everything! Increase the strength. I miss using bunny hop. Okay. Let's attack Oda Nobunaga. Fearless flight. And rush down. Nice. Calls for reinforcements. Uh-oh. Well, that's not good. I miss the sound of that, like, so much. Yeah, you felt pain, motherfucker. Shivers in fear, poisoned, skills are sealed, blinded, burned, blinded, paralyzed. Well, that's pretty cool. Kill the Oda Nobunaga balloon. You just gotta do it, like right now. Actually, I'm pretty sure Marisa can, wait a second. Shit, I just realized. Foxy's faster than Marisa, which means he's gonna move first. Well, that kind of sucks. I was gonna use Marisa's Mimicry to redo the burn everything, to do Reimu's Reimu's burn everything move again, but apparently that's not gonna be happening. So shit. Okay. Rock out, dude! And you use sweet tea on yourself. I don't know why I guarded Foxy. I didn't mean to do that. Shit. But that is like nothing. What the hell? You guys are weak. Is charmed. What does charm do? I forgot. Maybe Kane explained it somewhere, but I forgot. Oh! And Oda Nobunaga is dead. Great work, Freddy. That's right, Reimu had her trapped there. That's pretty cool. That's pretty good. I can stop time. That's definitely gonna be... Actually, I can use my clockwork overdrive. So I'm gonna have to use my sweet tea first. Top that slice so that I can see the animation, even though it's not gonna make the enemy bleed. But that's fine. Guitar reload. Do it. Cupcake bomb. Sure. Speed chair. Hideyoshi balloon disarmed Yomo. Well, fuck you. Well, fuck you too, asshole. Ah, take that.
Devour my hot bird ass.
Devour my hot bird ass. Okay, Marisa can use Master Spark. Clockwork overdrive, bitch. Money hop. Beak thrust. And rush down. Alright, knife barrage. I guess just spam knife barrage. This does decent damage. And it doesn't really cost all that much to use. Yeah, we've got this. We've got this in the bag. Yeah! Take that! You didn't even get to call in your reinforcements if you had any more, but you know, it doesn't matter now. I fucking did it, taste my divine shit.
The fuck is that?
I was half expecting Freddy to also say, I fucking did it, eat my shit.
Her victory phrase. Just don't ask.
Even Freddy's like,
annoying
really?
Obstacles are gone. Let's keep moving.
That's your victory phrase?
No one shall stand in my way. I will not fucking stop. Until I reclaim my fucking donation box.
Yeah, sounds about right. Uh-oh. Would you like to view your scroll records progress for chapter 1? Yes. Hey, look at that. I got all the things. I got all the enemies. That's pretty cool. But from the intro, I'm pretty sure that there were like
He won't get away.
there were 3 parts to episode 3. This first part, the second part where we play as Cirno and friends, and a third part where we play as Golden Freddy, if I remember correctly. Again, my memory is fuzzy because I recorded that this for the first episode of the first part of episode 3 like a few months ago, back in like April, I'm pretty sure. And it's like what, July now?
And he will face the ultimate enhalement.
Yes.
He shall face comeuppance for all of the shit he put us through.
Wow. That bastard must have pissed you off pretty badly, huh?
You have no idea what they've been through, Marisa. Like, seriously.
Oh, you have no idea.
Oh my god, I'm Freddy now. I like the Why do I keep like why do I keep on like predicting what the main characters are gonna say? Why do I do that?
Care to elaborate?
Where do we even begin? Ahem. It all started with...
This flashback sequence will be presented as a playable scenario rather than a short segment due to how long it would be.
Oh, okay.
So take a seat and enjoy the ride.
Thank you, Bonnie, for breaking the fourth wall and telling us that. I really appreciate it.